Charlie here with another video. Today we're at the garden, and I wanted to show you these plants. So the first plant is a zucchini, or squash, I should say. We got all these weeds I need to take it and clear out all this rubble and stuff. I got coffee grounds right there just to help get fertilized and stuff like that. I also wanted to take a shovel and kind of make it be nice. But yeah, I got these rocks, and I need to clear out this bush because this bush is being a pain in the butt. We'll get that cleared out. Got all these weeds here that I need to pull, which I'll eventually get to that. We also have these weeds here. These things are very sharp and they can easily... It looks like it killed this weed right here. But other than that, our garden is doing pretty good. We're making some really great progress. What's this bag? Potting mix. This is our tall brush area over here. Stuck in all that brush. I'll have to figure that out and fix that up. But other than that, I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe.